1,000 paper cranes folded by hand for a single wish?
It's one of Japan's most beautiful traditions and one of its most meaningful.
I'm Hikari. This is Shinobu, and you're watching Japan with Ninjas, Japanese culture in slow and easy English.
The tradition is called Senbazuru, 1,000 folded cranes strung together on threads.
And the belief is that if you fold all 1,000, you're granted a wish?
Exactly. The crane itself is an old symbol of long life and good fortune, said to live for 1,000 years.
So, 1,000 cranes for 1,000 years? That's a lovely piece of symbolism. I want to mention something gently here. This tradition became deeply connected to peace, didn't it?
It did. After the Second World War, a young girl named Sadako folded cranes while hoping to recover from an illness caused by the atomic bombing of Hiroshima.
And her story led people around the world to send paper cranes to Hiroshima as a wish for peace.
To this day, millions of cranes arrive there every year, from children and adults in countries all over the world.
On a lighter note, cranes show up in much happier places too, right?
Very much so. At weddings, a golden crane often symbolizes a long, fortunate marriage for the couple.
And people still fold them for sick friends and family, wishing for a quick recovery?
Yes, a string of cranes is a common, heartfelt gift in hospitals, carrying hope without needing any words at all.
And you'll spot them at festivals too, just adding color and charm to the celebration.
1,000 small folds, carrying one big wish. That's the quiet power of the paper crane.
So, here's today's question. If you folded 1,000 cranes, what would you wish for? Tell us in the comments. If this was interesting, subscribe. We post new episodes all the time. See you next time. Matane!